Welcome to another MiTek Engineered Building Products demonstration. MiTek's Universal Girder Brackets. MiTek make 4 different types of universal girder brackets: the MiTek mid-load, high-load, boomerang, and extra-heavy universal girder brackets. All have been designed to secure heavily loaded trusses, like truncated girder and secondary girder trusses to primary girder trusses. To correctly install a MiTek mid-load universal girder bracket, use zinc-plated M12 bolts and 56mm by 3mm diameter galvanized washers. For high-load, boomerang and extra-heavy universal girder brackets, use zinc-plated M16 bolts and 65mm by 4mm diameter zinc-plated washers. For fixing a supported truss to a girder truss bottom cord, locate bracket and temporarily fix by nailing through locating holes provided. Next, drill through the pre-punched bolt holes into the girder truss bottom cord. Fix the mid-load universal girder bracket to the girder truss bottom cord with M12 bolts and washers. Once the bracket is secured, place the supported truss in the bracket, ensuring it sits hard against both the cleat and vertical leg of the bracket. Fix the supported truss to the MiTek universal girder bracket by drilling through pre-punched bolt holes into the supported truss bottom cord. Once again, fix the bracket to the girder truss bottom cord with 2 M12 bolts and washers. For fixing of roof trusses to girder truss bottom cords of 130mm or deeper, fix the high-load universal girder bracket to the girder truss bottom cord, as in the earlier scenario demonstrated. However, this time, larger zinc-plated M16 bolts and 65mm by 4mm diameter zinc-plated washers are required. For higher load carrying capabilities, an extra heavy universal girder bracket may be used, fixed in the same manner. Specifications for the boomerang universal girder bracket are the same as the high-load universal girder bracket, except for a cleat angle. There are 2 standard cleat angles, 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees. Both come in left and right-hand configurations. Regardless of which configuration you are using, fixing to the girder truss bottom cord is the same as demonstrated in earlier scenarios. For other angles dry, timber wedges can be used. Any MiTek universal girder bracket can include hip hold-down applications. Once again, fix the universal girder bracket to the girder truss bottom cord, as in the earlier scenario demonstrated. Place the supported hip truss on the bracket at 45 degrees. Fix the hip truss with MiTek Cyclone tie using MiTek 30 by 2.8mm blue nails. Bend the Cyclone tie over the top cord of the hip truss and fix with 1 MiTek nail. Bend one leg of the Cyclone tie under the bottom cord of the supported truss and the other under the bottom cord of the girder truss. Tap the Cyclone tie with a hammer to ensure a tight bend, then wrap under the cords and fix with 4 MiTek nails in each leg. For more detailed installation instructions, including load data, please refer to the Universal Girder Bracket datasheet or get the EasyCat app, or download the MiTek guide at mitek.com.au. Remember, always specify and use engineered building products.